Alright, Yard Gal said that life's not about all work. We're going to go out and play. We're going to go for a bike ride up around a reservoir near our house called Pineview. So we've loaded up the bikes, the trusty old Trailblazer. The front yard's looking a lot better where the sod is we put in there. There's a couple little spots that are dry. But 100 times better than the grub-devoured sections that had yellowed and died and didn't have any roots. So we're going to take you on our riding trip with us.
Okay, so we are heading out of town. Yard Gal and hubby need to go and get some biking on. So we need to have some fun, straight up. Anyway, we are going up to Pineview Reservoir and riding the trail up there. So we'll take you up there. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun.
Glad to have you with us.
Yes, glad to have it with us. So yesterday it was crazy because last night we got the lawn in. We did some patchwork because, you know, the stupid grubs. And so anyway, we had the worst rainstorm. We had the worst rainstorm last night. So everything's just crazy this morning. You know, the petunias are flattened. But hopefully they come back and they're stronger than ever. So, but anyway, we'll see. And I'm hoping it didn't wash off all that spray that I put on for those 3 nights. So we'll see if the worms come back. If they do, I guess we're going to have to do a retreatment. So anyway, it's just crazy. Yeah, no, just crazy. Okay.
Ciao for now.
Enough about that. We'll see you up there. Okay, so we're going up North Ogden Divide. As you know, as Yellowstone, it's called the
Train station.
The train station.
The first 2 seasons.
Yes, the first 2 stations. This was the train station in Yellowstone, where they say, "Hey, we're gonna take them to the train station." This is where this train station was filmed, and yeah, it was filmed here. The train station. So we're in the Beast, and as you know, we're going up to go bike, and I am just praying the Beast doesn't break down, because it is the Beast.
It won't break down.
Who knows?
We just don't have a tow hitch on our other cars to put our bike rack on.
No. That guy is going to go down here, going downhill. I would never ride my bike up here. It's just too crazy, because it's just so narrow.
Yeah, it's a steep pitch going down here on the other side, and so you have to use your engine brakes.
Yep.
Gear down.
Yep.
They'll just smoke your brakes.
Yeah, you do. It's super pretty, but yeah. Just hope the Beast. Super pretty. Can't wait to go ride up our bike. Oh. We haven't done this for like 2 years. So it is going to be so much fun. y'all, we're here. And then there's the deer are so cute down here at the bottom. Sometimes you get turkeys. The deer. The wild, yeah. Turkeys and the deer are so cute.
Good job, yard gal. Conquering the big hill. What's that? Your BA.
Show me going up that hill.
Look how pretty the sunflowers are. Careful. All right, we've made it to the lake where you can see it. Through these trees, just a second. Anyways, there's the reservoir.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And
beautiful day on the lake and I'm to take a bike ride. You're on.
So we're in Huntsville and it's beautiful up here. Matter of fact, this is where I ran 26.2 miles and we started at Full Monty and we ran down here. So I ran the Huntsville Marathon. It's fun, it's beautiful. It was a beautiful time of the year, it's fall. But anyway, this is Huntsville for you. It's so
Cool little town. We're kind of the town square here.
Yep, little town square, and it's just
A
adorable.
lot of historical buildings. This is an observatory here. So this big sphere represents the sun, and then as we ride back to our car, we'll pass like all the planets.
And
They got a little sign that's a fairly new
really
thing.
Put that in.
Yeah, it's just new.
Yeah, it's new.
So anyways, here's our halfway point. We've ridden 5 miles of our 10-mile bike ride.
Yep. Oh, look how cute she is.
Hi, little bud.
Oh, she's
Hello,
so
bud.
I
Yeah.
just feel so bad they get flies.
I know. I wish we didn't have flies.
Oh, she just hates them so bad.
What a pretty little horse.
You itch too, huh? Yeah. Yeah.
We made it to Mars. All right, made it to Jupiter. Yard gal is cruising through the galaxy today. She's rocking it. All right, yard gal is at Saturn.
Saturn! Woo! Oh, so anyway, we made it, and it was a blast.
We rocked it.
We rocked it. 11.11. Crap, what was it? Let me see. Let me see if I can get back on. Okay, so it took us in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Our mile distance was 1164, and our average pace was 9.2 miles. So I think we're doing pretty good.
Yep.
Pretty good.
We'll take it.
We'll take it. Anyway, it was so fun. Bye, Huntsville. It was a blast.
The air conditioning feels amazing.
It does feel amazing. Anyway, it's too fun while riding your bikes. Oh, whoops. Looks like they want to bring more. Looks like they want to bring more condos up here and more commercial, and the people don't want it around here, which I don't blame them. So anyway, it just needs to stay a small, fun town and not have commercial up here.
That's
and
its charm.
not build up, because we have enough of condos, apartments, townhomes, everywhere else. They don't need it up here. It's just too pretty.
Yeah, the charm of being a small town and rural and having lots of farms and open space.
Yep. So I don't blame them. Anyway, it was fun. Bye. Peace out. All hot and sweaty. Woo. Feel the burn. Feel the burn. Anyway, bye.